The first part of this unit is finding all parts of the hyperbola. So to start, we have to get this into the right form. So 16x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 4y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals negative 76 plus 144 minus 4. So then 16x plus 3 squared minus 4y minus 1 squared equals 64. Then x plus 3 squared minus y minus 1 squared is 1. So this is our equation. So now the center of this is negative 3, 1. Now the vertices, to get the vertices, we have to add to our x value. So it's going to be, this is our a, and under x. So a, this is our a squared. So a is going to be 2, a equals 2. So you subtract a, and you add a. Now for the co-vertices, you do the same thing, but with b. This is b squared, so b equals 4. So then it's negative 3, comma 5, and negative 3, comma negative 3. Now for the foci, you have to get c, and c is a squared plus b squared, so a squared is 4, plus b squared is 16, so c squared is 20, so c is rad 20. So for the foci, it's negative 3 plus rad 20, comma 1, and negative 3 minus rad 20, comma 1. Now for the last rectum, that's 2b squared over a. 2b squared is 16 over a, which is 2. So the length of the last rectum is 16. And now for the endpoint of the last rectum, we have to add 8, plus and minus 8. So it's going to, you take what you have from your foci, so it's negative 3 plus rad 20, comma 9, and negative 3 plus rad 20, comma negative 7, and negative 3 minus rad 20, comma 9, and negative 3 minus rad 20, comma negative 7. And now for the eccentricity, that's going to be c over a. So c is rad 20, so the eccentricity is going, and a is 2, so the eccentricity is rad 20 over 2. And now for the equation of the asymptote, we're going to do in point-slope form, and you already know the center. So it's going to be y minus 1, y minus 1 equals something, we don't know the slope yet, x plus 3. And now to get the slope, you have to do the change in y over the change in x. So the change, so b is 4, which is under the y, over a is 2, which is under the x. So your slope is going to be 2. So that's going to go there as 2. Now for the sketch, we plot the center, which is at negative 3, 1. And now we plot the vertices, which is at negative 5, 1, and negative 1, 1. Then we plot the co-vertices at negative 3, 5, and then negative 3, negative 3. Then we can make that into a box where the asymptotes go through like that. And then you know that your sketch is going to look like that.